Here at Fire and Ice, we recommend everyone have their air conditioner tuned up once per year. One of the easiest ways to keep up with your service is through an annual maintenance plan. In this video, we'll talk about what Fire and Ice does during an AC tune-up with our Silver maintenance plan. Hi, I'm Jimmy, and here at Fire and Ice we recommend that everyone have their air conditioner tuned up once a year to make sure it'll be able to keep up with the demands of summer. While most people have their air conditioner maintenance done before summer, it can actually be done any time of the year. Many of our customers enjoy the convenience and value of one of our maintenance plans. Here at Fire and Ice, we offer 3 levels of maintenance plans: bronze, silver, and gold. Each include the air conditioner and a furnace tune-up. In this video, we'll go over everything that is done during our silver level maintenance plan. You may ask yourself, why does my air conditioner need maintenance? Let's take a minute and see why your air conditioner needs maintenance in the first place. Just like changing the oil in your car or getting your tires rotated, your air conditioner requires annual maintenance to operate as best possible. While most people think you need your maintenance done before the cooling season, it can actually be done at any point in time during the cooling season. Maintenance is also done to detect any problems before they become a larger, more expensive one later down the road. A regularly maintained air conditioner will keep running longer, maintain efficiency levels, and help keep energy bills consistent. It's also needed to maintain the manufacturer warranty. Whether your air conditioner was recently installed or has been cooling your home for several years, it's important to have your air conditioner serviced every year. It's always important to understand why something is done. Now let's take a look at what we do during our silver air conditioner tune-up. On the day of your scheduled service, you'll receive a text message letting you know service tech is on the way. Once they arrive, they'll park their company vehicle where you can see them. Each tech will arrive wearing a company uniform, name badge, and will wear shoe covers before entering your home. We do this out of respect for you and your home. Next, we'll take a few minutes to go over with you how the system has been performing and go over any questions you may have. Afterward, we'll move our attention to the thermostat and lower the temperature by 4 to 6 degrees to ensure the air conditioner continues to run during our tests. Next, the technician will go to where the furnace is located. They're going to begin by checking the condition of the filter and replacing it if a new one is available. They'll also record and compare some of the temperature readings from the return and supply air ducts. These temperature readings are essential and can help identify whether the air conditioner is performing as it should. We also check the condition of the refrigerant lines inside the home for any signs of condensation or leaks. If any are present, it could be a sign the system is leaking refrigerant. Another thing we do is clean out the drain line or the condensate pump if one is present and check the drain termination point. A clogged drain line could result in the air conditioner shutting off prematurely. Next, we move our attention to the evaporator coil where we check the overall condition and look for any signs of corrosion or oil residue and make sure that it's draining correctly. Afterward, we remove the access panels and check the coil inside. After our inspection, we'll add algae tablets to the pan and kill any algae growth in the pan or down the drain line. After our inspection, we will reconnect and close up the evaporator coil. One of the last things we do is check the air handler and plenum for any air leaks and seal those as necessary. With the indoor equipment checked, the tech will then move outside to where the air conditioner is located. One of the first things they'll do is test the safety shutoff equipment by removing the disconnect. This should cut all power to the system. Next, they'll remove the service panel and inspect the wiring, capacitor, and contactor. We check for any pitting or carbon buildup. We also review and record several electrical readings, such as the amp draw of both the fan and the compressor motors. We compare the readings to the manufacturer's specifications to make sure that it's operating effectively. If anything is outside of range or is a cause for concern, we'll let you know of the proper fix. Next, they're going to focus on the refrigerant line and record and compare the temperatures and pressures of the refrigerant. If anything is found outside of recommended levels, it could be a sign that something else is going on within the refrigerant. With the system off, they'll take a moment to look at the overall condition of the system. We also check to see if the unit itself is level and there isn't anything that can restrict airflow. If any obstructions are found, we'll remove them. Speaking of obstructions, you'd be surprised just how much junk and debris can get caught in the condensing coil. In fact, a dirty condenser coil can lead to a host of problems that can negatively affect your air conditioner's performance. This is why it's crucial to have your air conditioner serviced every year. To clean the condenser, your technician will carefully remove any debris caught in the condenser using a hose and break up any grime with a special cleaner that also protects the coil. So the last step is to put the cover back on and test the system one more time. Then we pack up all the tools and clean up the area we were working in. A report will be written of any of our findings and any recommendations for repairs. Finally, we conclude with a review of everything that was done and any questions you may have. On our silver maintenance plan, an air conditioner maintenance should take around an hour and a half to complete. For comparison, our basic air conditioner tune-up only takes about 45 minutes. So now I hope you see the value and the attention to detail we provide with our air conditioner tune-up on our silver maintenance plan. If you are in our service area here in Central Ohio and would like to sign up on one of our maintenance agreements, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.